let go of the guilt and shame tied to your past. It's going to be necessary for you to move on. You have to let go of the guilt and shame. Don't let Satan fill your mind with accusations. Let go. What did Jesus tell that gal who was caught in the very act of adultery? Amen. One by one, her accusers left. It ended up with just Jesus and her. He said, "Where are those thine accusers?" And in John 8:11, she said, "No man, Lord." And Jesus said unto her, "Neither do I condemn thee." And then he reminded her what the standard is, perfection. He said, "Go and sin no more." You're forgiven, but go and sin no more. You're driving down the road in your car. You got a rearview mirror, and you got a windshield. I remember going down a snowy road in my nearly brand new 84 Bronco 2. Wind was just blowing all over the road. And there was a guy behind me on my hind end. He's going to hit me. And so I sped up. True story, bro. He's going to hit me. He's going to hit me. And so I sped up, and I went faster than I should be going on a road with those conditions. I hit a slick patch. I don't know how many 360s I did, but my nearly brand new Ford Bronco 2 went round and round and round and round and round off the road in a field and stopped shy of a telephone pole. And I watched and saw him just merrily go northbound down the road and leave me like that. On purpose, when I drive now, and someone is coming up on me quickly from behind, and I find myself driving in the rearview mirror. You can't do that. What I do is I make a gesture, not that gesture. I let them see. I put my rearview mirror up. I'm not watching you. I'm driving through my windshield. And they know I'm not hit me. But I'm not going to drive in my rearview mirror. You could end up doing 360s and maybe hitting the pole if you drive in your rearview mirror. You can't drive in your rearview mirror. It's just something to reflect on every now and again that reminds you of where you've been and how good God has been to you in spite of you. Just glance at it. It'll bring you back down to earth. It'll help you not think you're something when you're nothing. What you need to do is look through that great big windshield, because that's where you're going.